Hi, my name is Randy. I'm from Philippines. I've been here in Singapore for 7 years and I'm working in Bosch for 7 years as a field service technician. Every morning, I reach at the office at around 8:30 a.m. I check my daily jobs. We go for quick briefing and sometimes we attend training for a new product launch. In order not to disrupt our daily schedule, we go for a quick lunch and then I go for my first job. A few years back, I got this customer. I do her washing machine, but she asked me to check some of her Bosch appliances as well. So I helped her to check and explain to her and give her some tips how to maintain and how to use the programs and settings. Challenges I face is sometimes there is an insufficient information from customers. So it may result that I take wrong spare parts, and sometimes there's not enough manpower to allocate on this schedule. And also when I face complicated problems, I spend more time to solve this issue. I find it difficult to explain to my other customer what's the cause of the delay. I like about my job because it is challenging, and I like to see my customers smile. When my customer smiles, it gives me satisfaction. And that's made my day. We finish our job at around 6 p.m. But sometimes we overshoot due to the job difficulties, so may we stretch in about 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. When we're back at the office, we'll do our paperwork before we go home and call it a day. I'm proud to be a part of Bosch. We work together, we help each other, and we even go makan together. This is my second family.